Are you experiencing wheel rubber worn out on your Ecovacs Deebot T9 robot vacuum? The technical cause is simple. The high-traction rubber treads on your drive wheels are designed for grip, but over time, friction wears them down until they're as smooth as a bowling ball. It's essentially the same thing that happens to the tires on your car, except your vacuum doesn't have a low-tread warning light. Ignoring these bald tires is a recipe for disaster. Without grip, your T9 will struggle to climb rugs, lose its way during navigation, and leave half your house dusty. Even worse, those spinning, worn-down wheels can actually scuff your expensive hardwood floor. But don't worry, your Deebot isn't ready for retirement just yet. RoboCare has the expertise to get your robot back on track. We know the Deebot T9 inside and out, from its advanced navigation sensors to its intricate drive assembly. We understand that a robot is only as good as its grip, which is why we don't believe in quick fixes that don't last. Our team utilizes specialized calibration tools to ensure your drive motors are balanced and uses professional-grade removal equipment to replace those bald tires without damaging the delicate internal housing. We carefully inspect the entire wheel module, diagnose any underlying motor stress caused by the lack of traction, and replace the worn treads with genuine components. We've done the work, now let's see the proof. Total traction. This Ecovacs Deebot T9 is back to its prime, climbing transitions effortlessly and cleaning every corner with precision. Ready to get your robot vacuum back on track? Contact RoboCare today for expert repairs on all brands. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.